If you want result in your life, so always remember, I will not talk about bullshit, bro. Do this. Simple rule. If you really want something like results, you just need to give action. As simple as that. I'm not making complicated, bro. Simple rule. If you want a result in your life, and if you're saying, bro, I couldn't get any result, I'm working so hard, but I couldn't get any results, because you're just studying, learning, and not applying those things in your life. That's why you are struggling. And you are saying, bro, I couldn't achieve anything in my life, bro. However, whatever you are learning, please apply those things in your life and see it is really work or not. That is the most important thing. If you just learn and saying, bro, I couldn't achieve anything, bro. Don't do that, please. Even you don't study or learn effectively. You just, okay, I understood. Okay, I understood. Okay, I understood. You never know those things, whatever you are learning. Make notes, whatever you are learning. And if you think, bro, that is crazy learning, I will write it. I have to write it. Then you can go through those learnings and start, okay, one day, this is day one, I will apply these things. These one principle, only one principle today. But you are not doing those things. You are just blow. I really want a result. You are just giving excuses and coping mechanism. You don't want anything in life. You are just, bro, I really want it. You are saying this, I really want, but in reality you don't want. You don't want that shit. Because it takes hell out, like lots of hard work, discipline, consistency, effort. And you are not willing to do it, my friend. And that's why you are not giving it. And that's why you are not seeing any results in life. In order to get any result, and if you want anything in life, you have to give something to order to get something. If you are saying, I will not give anything and I want results, what the fuck? Do you know Newton's third law? Every action have a reaction. And if you don't do any action, then there will be no any reaction. So you have to give an action to get a reaction. And it will be great thing, my friend, great thing. So, give the action. Give it the action. Don't just listen, okay, I understood. No, you understood nothing. Nothing at all. And if you think, yes, bro, I understood, don't tell me what I need to do. You know, I have lots of things to tell you, but I can't. I only can coach you personally. I really want to understand what the core problem in your life, but we can't do that shit. I don't know what problem are you facing, but I would say take action. And if you are already taking action, then try to understand what mistake I did in my past and am I repeating those mistakes? If I yes, then from now I don't need to repeat that mistake. And if don't, that is great thing. Then what might be my systems are wrong, so I need to improve my system to get the results. Understood? So you have to understand these things. These are basic. Like we can say basic to basic action. Very basic. I don't say anything at all. I'm not giving you complex material to put in your mind. Bro, this is Abbas. Bro, this is Newton's third law. Yes, but it is not difficult. You already read these things in your 9th class. Are you understanding? Are you getting my point? So my point is, take action in order to get any reaction. As simple as that. But. There is a big but. That, yes, we know that taking action is very important. But I'm not taking action. What is the core problem. The core problem is here. Your parents are already earning. You getting food, you getting clothes, you getting shelter. These are the fundamental things to survive. And fourth thing is sex. And you are also getting by doing masturbation. So to achieve something, to you don't get any drive to achieve anything because your drive goes into porn and masturbation, and that's why you couldn't take action. If your parents stop earning, you don't have any food, you don't have any shelter, you don't have clothes, you can't do masturbation, then masturbation and sex is the least priority. Your must priority is food, clothes, and shelter. Because your parents are earning, that's why you are not taking any action, and you think my parents are already earning, then why the hell I have to earn? Why the hell I have to do something in my life? And that's why you're not doing it. And your mind also says, yes, bro, you are saying right. Why we need to do anything at all if my parents are already earning? And that is the main problem. So, what is the solution? Solution is simple. You just need to take responsibilities. You just tell to your mind that, bro, I got a responsibility and I have to fulfill it. I have only one responsibility, two or three, anything. Okay. You just say to your mind, I got one responsibility to study, I got two responsibility to learn and work. These are the responsibility you have to fulfill in order to get some reaction in your life. And if you think, bro, I can get any reaction in my life, what should I do? Action. If you are waiting for someone, don't wait. Go and find somewhere. If you already waited 30 or 1 hour, then something might happen. Same as don't wait for perfect moment. Go and dig. Dig. I want to find perfect moment. Because you are action. You are in action to find perfect moment, perfect moment. And you don't need to wait. You have to dig it. You have to find that perfect moment. You don't need to wait, my friend. We don't wait. Just dig. And you will get a reaction or a result. I hope you got my point.